Hi there, my name is Joseph Bondi. I'm Director of Business and Solution Strategy for NI2. NI2 develops and markets software specifically engineered for service providers. We provide a platform with a suite of integrated applications specifically designed to assist service providers to build, deliver, document, and support the services they market to their customers. In short, NI2 helps service providers, much like your organization, to effectively and efficiently monetize their services. In this short video, we will illustrate the importance for service providers to properly document their services and infrastructure, how the NI2 software helps them to coordinate and automate the process of documenting, and the benefits that our service provider customers have gained by implementing and using our software. At NI2, we recognize that service providers have unique business requirements for managing how they deliver services to their customers. So a service provider's ability to economically, quickly, and consistently deliver their services can often be quite challenging, as the majority of them, time and again, lack the proper visibility or full understanding of the infrastructure and how everything is connected through proper documentation. Put another way, how can you manage and improve on delivering your services if you don't know what equipment you have, where it is, how it's connected, and the impact of changing it? Most do get by, but at what cost? It is suggested that 80% of service anomalies are the result of people or process failure, with the main proponent being that of changes to the IT environment. This is made worse by the fact that planning activities derived from inadequate sources of information drive a path to failure, often resulting in missed SLAs, reduced margins, and customer churn. Therefore, properly documenting your environment and doing it in an automated fashion is quickly becoming the dominant success factor in a service provider's ability to differentiate themselves, not solely for accelerating the delivery of services, but more importantly, in the quality of the services they provide to their customers. As the infrastructure becomes more complex and dynamic, documenting your services and infrastructure configuration information in a central repository, including their relationships, significantly helps to avoid downtime. It also provides better planning and understanding of the impact of changes on the computing environment, as well as the ability to react quickly and capitalize on changing market demands. So if service providers understand the importance of documenting their services and infrastructure, why aren't most of them doing it? Well, upon further investigation, the dilemma facing most all service providers is, what is the appropriate level of documentation required to provide the comprehensive visibility to support effective and efficient delivery of services? And two, how to do it in a manner that is consistent, reliable, and most importantly, economical. To achieve this objective, there are often three main challenges facing service providers starting down this path. 1. What to document. 2. How to document it. And 3. How to maintain it. At NI2, our solution was purposely designed for service providers in easily achieving this goal. In the next few slides, we will illustrate the value of having an integrated platform for documenting any and all services, any and all data center and IT resources, and track all of the interdependencies for visibility of the full service composition, including the consumers and customers, for consistent, reliable, and economical delivery of quality services. To address the challenge of what to document, NI2 has developed a comprehensive model that supports any resource or service across IT, network, facilities, and cloud domains. And it's delivered by a flexible and adaptable platform that allows you to classify physical and logical resources, build patterns of technology and service configurations, and assist in defining the required attributes. To resolve the issue of how to document, NI2 has the tools and the methodology to collect configuration information from several sources of data and transforming it into its model, allowing service providers to massively import and transform data from files and databases, leverage open APIs or web services to exchange data with other systems, or to be able to federate data from other platforms. Finally, to answer the question of how to maintain the data, the NI2 solution has incorporated industry best practices and provides advanced configuration management features to be able to facilitate and support business processes by designing deployment projects, documenting change orders, and provisioning service activation parameters. Our customers have benefited greatly in using our software to easily document their services and infrastructure. these service providers have derived tremendous value from our solution. For the first time, it has provided them to have a service-oriented view of their infrastructure. This is accomplished by storing information about their business services, their customers, the supporting IT infrastructure, and their relationships to each other. They've been able to respond much quicker to business needs. By documenting their data center and IT environment has greatly helped in planning and making informed decisions much more quickly. Being able to share critical data across IT groups, recognizing as IT groups adopt processes that span various functions for service delivery, there's a need to share data about the infrastructure and the services it supports in a standardized and automated fashion. By automating and coordinating IT processes, service providers can now leverage a more integrated approach to automation because they can make use of common data for managing services. They've been able to facilitate compliance and audits by providing control over critical changes and tracking the history of those changes to support audits and compliance with corporate, industry, and government regulations. They've mitigated the risk and impact of changes. By documenting the full service composition and making it accessible to all departments to successfully manage changes, whether planned or unplanned, for an ever-increasing and complex IT environment. And finally, they're able to drive increased customer satisfaction. By documenting the service makeup, their service desk personnel are able to significantly reduce the time and effort to deliver those services, as well as accelerate the successful resolution of support calls. I hope you have enjoyed this short video and that we've been able to demonstrate the value of documenting your services and supporting infrastructure, and how the NI2 solution can greatly facilitate your documentation process to increase the speed, the efficiency, and success of your service delivery process. But more importantly, by making you more agile and enabling you to continue to deliver or exceed on your expected levels of service, and having the ability to provide significant and differentiated value for your customers in a consistent, reliable, and economical manner. If you're interested in getting more information about NI2, or would like to schedule a demonstration of our software to see how service providers are using it to better build, deliver, document, and support the services that they market to their customers, kindly send an email to ni2@ni2.com or visit us at www.ni2.com. Thank you.